Hello, finance enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the money revolution, how tech changed finance forever. This is a groundbreaking era where technology has revolutionized the way we handle and manage our finances. Are you ready to learn how tech has transformed our financial landscape? Let's jump right in. In this age of innovation, traditional banking experiences have undergone a massive shift. Gone are the days of long queues and extensive paperwork. Thanks to digital banking, we can now execute transactions with just a few taps on our smartphones. This has significantly contributed to enhancing financial management abilities, more efficient and user-friendly than ever before. But that's just the beginning. The increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies has made a significant impact on the financial industry. With the advent of technology, digital currencies have gained tremendous traction, reshaping the landscape of money transfer and payment systems. Cryptocurrencies offer a secure and transparent form of transactions, which has proven to be quite beneficial to individuals, businesses, and governments. Efficient communication and digitalization have played a crucial role in the rapid growth of cryptocurrencies. People are realizing the benefits of using digital currencies for various purposes, such as international money transfer, investments, and even shopping. Cryptocurrencies present a cost-effective and user-friendly alternative to traditional payment methods like cash and credit cards. In conclusion, the rise of cryptocurrencies has brought about significant changes in the financial world. It has not only transformed traditional payment systems, but also provided a secure and efficient alternative to traditional financial instruments. With the continuous innovations and increased usage, cryptocurrencies are fast becoming the new normal in the realm of financial transactions, has brought about a new era of digital money. These virtual currencies have completely disrupted the traditional financial system, offering decentralized, secure, and efficient payment systems. With blockchain technology at its core, cryptocurrencies have opened up new avenues for investments and transactions globally. And then there's fintech, the fusion of finance and technology that has revolutionized the entire industry. It's not just about making money. It's about creating a whole new world where innovation thrives. This includes peer-to-peer lending platforms, robo-advisors, and much more. So there you go. That's how technology has changed finance forever. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the money revolution. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Until next time, keep exploring the world of finance and technology.